Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: device-powered, network-stable, and camera-enabled. Once ready, open Eseecloud and sign in. Make sure you verify email or enter the 2FA code if required. Next, tap Add Device and choose Scan QR or Manual Add. Enter the device ID, password, and a recognizable name. You do this now to bind the camera to your account. Doing it early prevents conflicts later and ensures the app can discover the device on the same network. Once the device appears, tap Live View to verify the feed. You should pick Stream Quality, HD for detail, Fluent for low bandwidth, because playback depends on it. Then configure PTZ presets and tweak image settings like brightness and contrast so motion detection performs reliably. Enable audio if the camera supports it, and test sound. After that, set recording. Start manual or enable scheduled or alarm-triggered recording to local storage or cloud. These steps make sure to finish, activate push notifications and adjust motion sensitivity. Draw alarm zones so you only get relevant alerts. Then practice using playback. Pick a date and time, scrub the timeline, and export a clip or snapshot for evidence. Choose export format and destination. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Reboot the camera and router, verify the network and app permissions, and if still offline, remove and re-add the device. This sequence fixes most connectivity and sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.